Hi, I'm Matt with Melissa's Produce. We're out here in Oxnard at Harry's Berries with Molly Jean. Molly, tell us a little bit about the history of your farm and what makes your strawberries so special here.
Hi Matt, thanks a lot for coming out. I'm Molly from Harry's Berries. Welcome to our farm. We were started in 1966 by my dad, Harry Iwamoto, but my agricultural roots run really deep, and I'm a fourth generation California farmer. Our main variety of strawberries is called Gaviota. It's a specialty variety that's not commercially grown. Gaviotas are really low acid, super sweet, and red through and through. They've been called by the LA Times the ruby red gems by which all others are measured, which is very high praise. We also grow another French cultivar called Marja Bois. They're a fabulous French variety that has a wonderful floral fragrance, and they taste like if you took a Concord grape and a really great strawberry and crossed those and they had a baby. They're wonderful, creamy textured. Definitely give those a try. We live and work on our farm, so safety for our workers and for our family is very important to us. We've been growing without any synthetic chemicals since 1998. However, we certified organic in 2013.
So Molly, as you can see, there's beautiful flowers everywhere all along the perimeter of the strawberry fields. Can you tell us what purpose they serve?
Well, sure. Beneficial insect habitat interplantings. I know that's a mouthful, but what that means, it's a habitat, a place for good bugs that we release on a regular basis to have a home. So these flowers aren't just pretty, they do serve a purpose.
Molly, can you tell us a little bit about who works here on your farm?
Sure, Matt. Actually, we're very fortunate in that we try very hard to keep our team together and working all year long. They are not migrants. These are all people that have lived and worked in the community for generations, and we have people here that have worked for over 30 years. We do not pay them on a piece rate basis, which is paying them by the box. If you've seen strawberry fields where the workers are running with their flats, it's because they're being paid by the box, and so it's always a rush situation, and quality suffers because everything ends up in the box. With us, we pay an hourly wage all year round, regardless of the volume of strawberries. Everything is picked at the peak of perfection, and every berry that ends up in our boxes is going to be perfect and ripe and sweet and juicy. While farm work is manual labor, it is not unskilled labor, and we should all appreciate the people that work in the fields to provide food for all of us, because without them, we would not eat.
So our relationship started with our chef Mickey, going on a regular basis to the farmer's market and discovering Harry's Berries, Molly there, and we introduced these strawberries to our chefs in certain restaurants, and they had a loyal following there. And from there, what we did was actually speak with Molly and Rick regarding taking it to the next level.
For many, many years, we only sold our strawberries at the farmers markets. They've always been considered too delicate and too perishable to be able to ship. So when Melissa's came to us and said they wanted to ship our strawberries, we said, well, no way that's going to work. However, they came up with our wonderful clamshell packaging and their moisture absorbing pads, and that has enabled them to go all over the country and to expand to whole new audiences and creating a whole legion of Harry's Berries fans across the country, and we're very, very appreciative of that. Strawberry pie, strawberry shortcake, strawberry ice cream, strawberry jam, strawberry juice, a strawberry salad. So there's lots of great things you could do with strawberries, but our favorite way, of course, is eat them straight out of the field. As they are, they're just the perfect summer treat.